Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Ram 1500. This two-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, and traction control.